Hello everyone, I'm Maywoon. Today I'm gonna talk about deep basement and retaining wall in the construction work. And my case study is Thompson Hospital project. Thompson Hospital is located at Kota Damansara beside Seki University. In 2017, Thompson Hospital proposed to interior renovation for the existing 7-story hospital building, and also extent of one block for 12-story hospital building, and it included basement parking space, hospital facilities, mechanical and electrical space at roof level. And this is the layout of Thompson Hospital project. As we can see, beside the existing building, the pink color one is the new block of 12-story building. And this project was used semi-top-down construction method to complete their work. The construction sequence was adopted by utilizing the permanent slab at lower ground, was using slab strutting system, and installation of king post, which is temporary support for lower ground slab, and used open cut method for rest of earthwork quantities and stabilized excavation with diaphragm wall. And these are the top-down construction site photo. For the work sequence stage 1, to construct guide wall along diaphragm location, and then install diaphragm wall, RC piling, micro pipe, and king post before basement excavation. After that, they can start to construct diaphragm wall capping beam. For the stage 2 is about excavation work. Firstly, excavate from existing ground level to lower ground slab soffit and construct lower ground strut slab. Once the strut slab achieves the structural strength, excavate down below lower ground to basement slab and localize excavate for pipe cap area. After that, they will explore RC piling and micro pipe to cut as per cut of level design and submit eccentricity check for piling. After finish the checking process, they can start to construct pipe cap, column, and basement slab, and then continue cast the next floor level and repeat the process above. Diaphragm wall is commonly used in Malaysia as a permanent wall system. Sometimes the sound from the construction equipment would disturb patients' rest in the hospital. Therefore, diaphragm wall is suitable use for the Thompson Hospital project, and this is because diaphragm wall construction causes minimum noise and vibration disturbance. Diaphragm wall is a permanent retaining wall support deep excavation and construction a typical foundation technique that involves of deep trench excavation and a continuous wall. The procedure for diaphragm wall construction. First of all, need to construct guide wall and preparation for pandanite slurry. After that, excavation for trenches and using rectangular grab of cutter under pandanite slurry, and the trench will be filled in with new pandanite. And then reinforcement cages will be installed into the trench upon completion of descending process, final insertion, and followed by concreting work. The Thompson Hospital project needs to complete the work without sound pollution to avoid disturbing the patient in the hospital. Therefore, they decided to use RC jet impulse. It is low volume of weightage and also environmental friendly, which is less vibration and noise. RC-Jet Impile is a modern deep foundation piling system and use deadways to apply pressure to drive the pile into the ground. And it classifies as a displacement pile system, whereby soil is displaced during the driving process. When the piles are hydraulically jacked into the ground, the displacement causes the surrounding soil to compress against the jack-in pile, resulting in an increased load-bearing capacity. RC-Jet Impile is a higher cost saving in site clean-out, and it's typically used for medium-loaded structures such as residential, commercial buildings, and housing. And then these are the models of RC-Jet Impile that commonly used. The work sequence for RC-Jet Impile. First of all, preparation work platform and site clearance, and then do survey work and preparation for pitching pile or position the jet impile machine in the construction site. And then they started jacking pile work and do recording. Micropile is a small diameter deal with casing and grouts with reinforcement rebar or API pipe for deep foundation option capable of penetrating obstruction to bear within competent bedrock. Then this is the micropipe work sequence in the construction site. Pile cap is a thick concrete that rests on concrete piles that has been driven into ground to provide a suitable stable foundation. Pile cap distribute the load of building into the pipe below and is usually form part of the foundation of a building, typically a multi-story building, structure or support base for heavy equipment. So this is the pile cap work sequence in the construction site. Besides that, there are some equipment used for deep basement and retaining wall in this project, and which are rectangular grab, trench cutter, ruler crane, backhoe, caterpillar, tower crane, and so on. So that's all for my presentation, and thank you for watching this video.